In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add read more to email in Mailchimp. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your dashboard, where you can access your email marketing tools and campaigns. Make sure you are using the correct account that contains the email campaign you want to edit. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and select Campaigns. From there, open the email campaign you want to work on in the editor. This is where you'll make the changes to your email layout. If your campaign is already created, simply open it and enter the editing view, so you can place the Read More button exactly where you want it to appear. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side where the content blocks are located, find the button block, then drag it into your email layout. Drop it into the section where you want readers to see the Read More option. This is a useful way to keep your email clean and concise while still giving subscribers an easy path to your full article, blog post, or website page. After placing the button, double-click the button text so you can edit it. Change the text to read more. Keep the wording simple and clear so subscribers immediately understand what the button is for. A short call to action like this is usually more effective and looks cleaner inside an email design. Now highlight the words Read More and click the link icon in the toolbar. This allows you to turn the button text into a clickable link. In the web address field, paste the URL for the full article or the web page you want your readers to visit. After that, click Save to apply the link. Before saving, it's always a good idea to quickly check that the web address is correct, so your subscribers are sent to the right destination. When everything looks good, click Preview and Test at the top of the builder. This step is important because it lets you confirm that the button appears correctly and that the link works as expected. You can also use this preview to make sure the email looks polished across different devices and layouts. And that's all to it. You've successfully added a Read More button to your Mailchimp email. Thanks for watching.